They say success begins with a single step, but no one tells you the first step might be waking up at 5 a.m. There was a time when I was drowning in potential, not because I lacked dreams, but because I kept putting them off. Tomorrow, next week, someday. I told myself I'd start when I had more time, but that time never came, and I was stuck, not in my job, not in my surroundings. I was stuck in my habits, late nights, tired mornings, mindless scrolling. I was letting life slip away, one lazy morning at a time. Then one day, I made a decision, a small one, but it changed everything. I set my alarm for 5 a.m., and I got up. No one clapped, no one noticed. But that morning, I showed up for me. And in that quiet hour, the world felt different. Still, peaceful, mine. No notifications, no distractions, just silence and potential. That morning became a ritual, then a rhythm, then a new identity. I wasn't just waking up early. I was becoming someone new, someone who starts, who shows up, who fights for their dream. Because waking up early isn't about the clock. It's about taking control. It's about saying, my future matters more than my comfort. In those early hours, I found clarity. I picked up the books I abandoned. I wrote down goals I used to ignore. I trained, I learned, I built. And slowly, I stopped chasing motivation because I had something stronger: discipline. My focus sharpened, my confidence grew, and for the first time in a long time, I believed in me. I didn't need permission. I didn't need the perfect plan. I just needed to rise and begin. You don't change your life overnight. You change it one morning at a time. At 5 a.m., there are no shortcuts, no applause, just you and the work. And that's where the magic happens. If you feel stuck, if your dreams feel far away, I'm not telling you to change your life today. I'm telling you to change your morning. Set the alarm. Stand up. Show up. Before the world wakes, wake up for you, because the version of you you're chasing is already awake, already building, already living the dream you say you want. You just have to rise and meet them. So tomorrow morning, don't hit snooze. Don't wait. Wake up. Your dream is waiting.